Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing a B-Day reset and haul from Zara, Target, Home Decor, and a few items that I got for my B-Day. And so if you are interested, please keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and stay to the end, and let's get into it. The color is so beautiful. I'm in love. I actually have this bag already, but it's different. And my son QueenGwen got this one. And it just happens to be beige. And it's just going to be like my sporty bag. Like my everyday sporty bag. It has my actual initial on it. So yeah. So pretty. And I have earrings that actually matches these. I'll show them to you. I literally couldn't find them because I have like a million jewelry containers. But they're in here. They are in here. And yeah, they're these. They're like, I don't know. It's a face on it. They're really pretty though. And I got these from my mom a long time ago. So I think this would go with that, even though the gold is not the same. Love it together. Okay, so that's where those are. Because I have a million places I keep things, I have to like recalibrate where things are. And these I got, hold on. I thought these would be pretty to go with this dress that I'm about to show you that I got from Zara. Like, it's missing 2 stones here. But I just think these are so pretty. I'm gonna try to find some stones to put. I think these are so pretty. At least that one with the stones already. Isn't that pretty? Look how beat up my hands are. What is that on my finger? Okay, hold on. Yeah, isn't that so pretty? Yeah, I'm gonna try to find some stones to go in here. I don't know where I'm gonna get stones from. But I think I do have some stones when my daughter graduated. I put stones. I have stones somewhere. Oh my god, what color is this? I would never wear that. Oh my god, what color is that? If Drake was somehow able to release another massive hit, I think I would never wear something this color. Look at the colors. Even crack the top 20 if he tried right now. We can't fully discount his track record and underestimate him. So I bought this dress from Zara. This dress here, hanging up, and I'm gonna try it on. So I really don't care for the stores, and so I order online. And I normally, you know, I would say a 70-30% chance, but the dress that I did get from Zara, this one came from Target. It was not flattering as well, but it's a beautiful dress. Maybe for a thicker woman. This one was so pretty on the model, but the issue was it was so many. It was like a rainbow color in person. Like, it had multicolors, and I just don't like too many colors. So yeah, it's supposed to look like that, but the breast part didn't fit me well at all. She doesn't have a big breast, so that's probably why. So I did not like this dress, and I did return it. Other than the 2 dresses, which was my go-to outfits, this purse was really pretty. Loved it. Looks so much better in person. I kept this one, but the dresses was a fail, so that was like ruining my vibe because now I needed to find something else. I didn't buy a bunch of stuff, but what I bought I did not like in the clothes department. But I kept all the bags and all the accessories, and yeah, I loved it. But that's all, folks. That's all. That's all.
gonna go walk around the stores, do some fall decor for the home. Let's go. I'm taking you with me. And I feel a little bit better, but not the best. Yeah. These are cute. For fall. This was on my wish list. I really need something for the kitchen. It's given I'm gonna get this. What y'all think for the kitchen? Or this one here. It's so heavy and nice. It's really, really nice. I don't know, I think it's gonna be this one for the kitchen. This one. It goes with my pumpkin. So I'm getting that one today.
This is push. Do you know if this bottom one fits? It's for the back wall. 15112. Or is that one time something?
This one. This one's more fluffier.
Where's the broken one?
It's orange. That's cute. These. Oh, I like these. I'm getting these. I'm getting that.
I don't blame you.
I'm getting these too. Yeah, faces over here. I don't know which one to get. It just has to be neutral. So guys, this is what I found to do my fall update. I got this pumpkin chai candle, which smells like a pumpkin chai latte. I got the Threshold decorative shaped pumpkin throw pillow. Then I got the throw blanket to match. These two these two glasses, which are so pretty. Just the right color for the season. Currently, since brown is the color of the season, which is one of my favorite colors, then my favorite body wash, and then this amazing, unique shape and textured vase, which I'm going to use for the countertop. I'm just looking for like something brown to go in it. Didn't see anything at Target. But yeah, I want to use something brown because I'm not into orange. I'm not into like yellows, the color of fall leaves. I just want something more on the brown side because it would match my decor really well, and I don't have to like offset my decor for fall. So I'm happy with my fall finds. And so I'm just updating, adding a few things, 6 pieces mainly to what I had because I don't want to go overboard with fall decor. Which fall is like a really long time. It's mid-September all the way through after Thanksgiving. I guess you can start decorating for Christmas around Thanksgiving. So yeah, fall is a little minute. So I'm glad for my finds. Like, are you kidding me? It came together so well. But this looks, without even trying, without even really trying, just updates. What it says anymore. And it's just so freaking good. This vase, this freaking vase. I love this vase. Kidding me? It has my receipt in there, but it's so gorgeous. Textured, everything. Yeah, love it.